What's your name?
My name is Kieran.
How old are you?
I am 19 years old.
Where are you from?
I'm from Pakistan.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is pink.
Do you like music?
No, I don't like music.
What do you like to do fun?
I like to read books and watch movies.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have 6 siblings.
What's your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is.
Can you swim?
No, I can't swim.
What time do you wake up?
I usually wake up at a.m.
What's your favorite food?
I really like pizza.
What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is summer.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I like playing soccer.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Train to Busan.
How do you go to school?
I go to school by car.
What is your favorite subject in school?
My favorite subject is English.
What is your favorite fruit?
I really like mango.
What did you do yesterday?
Yesterday, I played with my friends.
What is your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is drawing.
How many people are in your family?
There are 9 people in my family.
What is your favorite game?
I love playing Free Fire.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I love ice cream.
What is your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is basketball.
What is your favorite place to go?
My favorite place to go is the beach.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, like traveling to new places.
Do you like rainy days?
Yes, I'll like staying indoors on rainy days.